Hey, this is Sean and you're watching The Conscious Builder. Since the designer and the homeowner were last here, we've continued installing all the packed wardrobes in the closets. I'm currently installing the master bathroom vanity, which is also IKEA. We've opened up the two walls in the bedrooms to put in backing and mount their TVs, so their TVs can be wall mounted. The plumber has been in and has continued with the plumbing finishing in both bathrooms. The tub in the master has been finally installed and set. All that remains in there will be the toilet and the sink once the custom counter has been cut and measured. Other than that, the tiler's been continuing in the living room, doing the fireplace wall. Now that the tub's in, he can finish up the front of the tub deck, get all the tile work done. And then other than that, everyone's just been going around doing drywall touch-ups, getting everything ready for paint, which is tomorrow, and doing caulking and filling on trim work.
So when we took all the old drywall off in the kitchen, we realized that there was no insulation in the walls. So what we did, we drilled a bunch of 3-inch holes at the top of each stud space. And we got an insulation blower that blows in cellulose insulation. So what we did, we put the hose in and it pumps the studs fully up. And then until they're all full, then we just go from stud space to stud space. You can't really see it now because we closed it all off, but there's pretty much a 3-inch hole in every single stud space, which is every 24 inches.
We've gone with a more custom kitchen installer on this job. The only thing to keep in track with the custom kitchen installers is their install dates are pretty firm and not very flexible. So if you miss it by a day or two, you might be waiting a week or two for them to have a crew available to come back. So we always give ourselves a little bit of play with our schedule just to make sure that we can always hit that install date of the kitchen. A job we wrapped up in the wintertime. We've just got a few days to head back to and do some cleaning up on and finish up the last few items. Things like the caulking, we waited till the warmer weather, and a little bit of roof work.
Hi, my name's Lauren. These are my coworkers, Todd and Bill. And we are all painters for NJCC Painting Company. And we're painting this beautiful condo before they move in tonight.
What is the YouTube channel?
The Conscious Builder.
Oh, that's the guys that did this banner?
Oh, I'm not ready for this. I am trying to set things up and I got a million things to do. That's what's going on.